Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homoeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and today we are going to discuss about the minimum requirements of the system specifications for Radar 10 and RADAROPUS as well. I am sure that if you're a homeopath and if you're going to buy a laptop or if you're going to buy Radar, these questions must have crossed your mind. Don't know if Radar is compatible with the model you like? Want to know if Radar 10 or RADAROPUS will work in your laptop? Here are the answers to all your questions. First, let us see if Radar is compatible with how many systems and what are the system specifications for Radar. Let us first see the list of systems it is compatible with. So Radar 10 or RADAROPUS is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Mountain Lion, Mavericks. System requirements if you have Radar 10 are basically these are the minimal requirements, and you can have a better system than this, but these are the minimal requirements that it is compulsory for you to have in order to run Radar and Encyclopedia Homeopathica in your computers. So here I am going to talk about Radar 10.5.003. So the minimum requirements are Intel Pentium 4 or better, 1024 MB RAM, XP and Vista, but they are no longer supported by Microsoft, so they don't guarantee the support. Windows 7 is a minimum. USB port with SVGA display monitor or better, DVD-ROM drive and a sound card along with 10 GB free space on hard disk. So these are the minimum requirements for Radar 10, and if your computer or laptop is better than this, it is even more better. Now let us see the system requirements if you have RADAROPUS for Windows PCs. So if you have a Windows computer and you want to run RADAROPUS, these are the minimum requirements. Cable or DSL internet connection, compatibility with operating systems, dual core or faster system, 4 GB RAM or more, screen resolution should be 1024 x 768 pixels, recommended is 1280 x 1024. However, users who have been using 4K have reported some issues with the screen, 30 GB free space on NTFS partition and USB port which is 2.0 or higher. So these were the minimum requirements for RADAROPUS for Windows computers. Now let us see the minimum requirement of RADAROPUS in Mac computers. So the minimum requirement for RADAROPUS for Mac computers is cable or DSL internet connection, compatibility with the operating systems which we have given in the list in the initial part of our video, Core 2 Duo or faster than that, 4 GB RAM or more, screen resolution should be 1024 into 768 pixels and recommended is 1280 into 1024 or higher. People who have 4K will have some problem with the screen resolutions, and 30 GB free space on hard disk and USB port which is 2.0 or higher. So I hope all your questions are answered regarding what are the basic system requirements for RADAROPUS and Radar 10.5. Now remember, I have just told you the minimum requirements. Your PC or your laptop can be better than this. And if you haven't checked out my video on how to download and install Radar, please go and check it out. And please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. Thank you.